welcome back to my channel. So look at that, I created an Indian makeup look. It looks so beautiful. You guys have been after me for creating some more Indian glam, and I loved creating this. I love this, from the makeup to jewelry to my outfit. I think it looks super chic and super cute. Also, it's very minimal, very easy, so you gotta watch the video till the end so that you know how I got this makeup look, and all the details will be in the description box. You guys have been after me for creating such Indian looks, so I thought what better time to introduce such makeup look when wedding season and festive season is just around the corner. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, also comment below whatever you feel about this makeup look. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm starting with a clean face. I have just washed my face, so it's pretty dry right now. So I'm just gonna apply this moisturizer by Assure Naturals, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit. This much is enough for this moisturizer. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face because my face really, gets dry when I just get out of the shower right now. Alright, so I'm also gonna apply some lip balm at this point because my lips are gonna get really chappy, when I apply the lipstick. So it's always better to apply a little lip balm. I think I applied a little too much, but that's okay. Alright, so for a festive look like this, I'm also gonna apply this face oil because I want my makeup to look very dewy and gluey. So I'm just gonna take 2-3 drops, that's it, not too much. This much is enough. That's very liquidy. And I'm just gonna apply. You can also mix it in your moisturizer if you in your moisturizer, in your foundation if you want, but I think applying on the face before the foundation works well for me. This also is gonna hydrate my skin, my dry ass skin. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Chambor Enriched Revitalizing Makeup Foundation. This is a really good foundation. I used it long back, but it's, as you can see, is very dark on me. Mix this Lakme foundation. It's very light on me, so I'm just gonna mix it with the Chambor foundation, to get the right color. Why do you guys not give bumps? So I'm just dotting the foundation on my face like this, and then we'll use a beauty blender. So I'm taking this Plume Co sponge and I'll just dab it on my face like this. I'm just dabbing it on my face and not rubbing. Taking this Sugar Magic Wand concealer, and I'll just take it a little bit and apply it right here. So you want to be looking up so that your concealer gets into all the corners and bits of your under eyes. You want to be looking up when you do your concealer or your under eye baking or powder, whatever that you do. I know I look weird while doing it, but that's how you should do it. Alright, so I'm done with my concealer, and now for my under eyes, I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm gonna use this banana shade right here. It's also gonna brighten my eyes. So I'll just take another powder brush. So I'm just taking this brush and I'll take a little bit, dust off the excess, and look up. You want to be looking up before you apply a powder, and you want to see that you do not have any creases under your eyes. So even if you need to go under your eyes with your finger, and you want to be looking like this. And then just set everything into place. It's very important to look like this, so that when you look like this, however that I'm doing, you stretch the skin under here, so यहाँ पे कोई creases नहीं आती. If you, I hope you understand what I mean. तो यहाँ पे जब creases नहीं आएंगे, तो your powder actually sets like that only. अगर creases होंगी तो आपका powder creases को ही set कर देगा, and that's how it's gonna look. So I'll just set my powder. If you are an oily skin and you'd have to set your face, you can go ahead do that. मतलब whatever works for your skin type, you should do that. And now I'll just set my forehead also, because I've seen that my forehead also gets creased a lot these days. So I'll just once again go with the my sponge and just clear all the creases if I have any, and then just set my forehead very lightly, because you don't want to be caking your forehead. So just very lightly go over your alright, so when that's done, I'm going to be contouring my face, and for that I'm going to be using this shade from the Wet n Wild palette again. And I'll just take a brush like this. This is the kind of brush I'll use, and dab off the excess. And this is where you want to contour. So I'll just first place the product here like this, and then I'll start brushing my face upwards. I also like to take it on my forehead, that way it just looks cohesive, and I'll just brush the whole thing. So you can see how much difference does that make. This side looks very flat and this side looks all structured. And if you also want, you can take your contour here on your jawline. I do not like doing that very prominently. I just like to take whatever that's left on my brush, and I'll just brush my jawline with it so that it looks cohesive. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply blush, and this is what I'm using. This is the Milani Rose Powder Blush Palette in the shade 02 Floral Fantasy. It's a very beautiful blush. It looks very natural on the skin, and I like it. Like, it doesn't look powdery at all. It blends into your skin very, very beautifully. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and for that I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is how it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to apply the same on my lower lash line. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eyes. The lashes I applied are very natural, but they also look very pretty, so that's the kind of look that I was going for. And now I'm gonna apply this Forever 52 kajal. All the details and product names and shades will be in the description bar below, so you can check those out. So I'm just gonna apply this. It's a nude kind of a golden kajal, so it looks really pretty. It opens up your eyes. Now for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna apply this Cal Loss Edgeless mascara. This is how the wand looks like. It's beautiful. Look at the wand. It's very, very beautiful. So I'll just apply it on my lower lash line. Alright, so for lipstick, I'm gonna go with this Forever 52 Velvet Matte Lipstick. It's a beautiful lipstick. The name will be in the description box. And I'm just gonna apply it. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my trusty Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply it with this small brush. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Especially for Indian wear, I think this is very, very beautiful highlighter. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.